Introducing Nature's Sunshine Rejuvenate, the new, natural, clinically studied, and patent-pending vitality supplement from Nature's Sunshine that provides a safe, healthy way to achieve and maintain peak physical and mental performance with higher levels of vigor, helping you to do more, be more, and get more out of life. As you may know, our physical and mental abilities are at their peak during our younger years. One key contributing factor to this is the higher levels of nitric oxide in our bodies. Importantly, by the age of 40, our nitric oxide levels drop to about half of what they were during our teenage years. Nitric oxide, or NO, is a signaling molecule that improves blood flow and circulation by relaxing arteries and blood vessels, which in turn puts that youthful vitality back in our lives. Researchers at the Hughes Center for Research and Innovation have developed a new, safe, and natural way to regenerate those youthful levels of nitric oxide so you can do more, be more, and get more out of life. Rejuvenate is a unique dual pathway system which combines our proprietary beetroot extract with L-arginine. Together, these two elements generate higher levels of nitric oxide and allow the body to create more of its own. With Rejuvenate, our bodies can safely produce superior levels of NO, creating and sustaining energy longer than the leading NO competitors in the market.
Rejuvenate boosted my workouts to a whole new level. My stamina and intensity are through the roof. In fact, I really felt a difference all day long, and I love how it helps support cardiovascular health. I feel like a different and much more energized person. Rejuvenate is a true game changer.
I was able to work a 12-hour day with more energy and endurance and still had a lot left in the tank. Wow. More energy, better stamina.
Rejuvenate has given me a lot of physical and emotional strength. I'm less sore after my workouts and feel a boost of energy from Rejuvenate.
Always ready for more. Rejuvenate from Nature's Sunshine. Do more, be more, and get more out of life.